Okay. Hello, I am so sorry. Okay. This question is for you, which you are watching our video.
Yeah.
This is about cheetahs. Where do cheetahs live? Up north or down south?
Subscribe to the video show.
They said down south. Which south? East or west? They said west. That's right. They live down southwest.
Southwest where?
Southwest where? This is Africa.
That's right.
Which continent has a country called Argentina? A. Africa, B. South America, or C. Asia?
Subscribe to the video show.
That's right! South America! Which continent has a country called Zambia? A. Africa, B. South America, or C. Asia? They said Africa. They said east. Okay. Wait.
Hold it down so it's not in front of your face.
Which continent has a country called China? Africa, South America, or Asia? Asia. Kids in China live in Asia. I told you, Africa, South America, or Asia? Asia. I said Asia. Okay, now it's Daddy's turn to ask me questions.
No, I don't ask you questions. You ask me questions.
Okay. What is a rotation?
What is a rotation? It's when something turns around, say 360 degrees and winds up facing the same way it started. It's a full turn. So if I were to rotate the microphone, for example, let's say this is the point of reference right here. Okay, we would rotate it 360 degrees. That's a 360 degree rotation. That's a rotation.
I have a very hard question.
Yeah.
What will happen if our sun was very, very close to our ocean? Would it stay warm or would it boil up?
Those aren't mutually exclusive. So if the sun somehow got closer to the earth, it would get much, much warmer. And it wouldn't take that much getting closer to make it really warm.
What if the earth was very close to the sun that it was touching it? Yeah. Then our oceans would boil up like steam water.
Yeah, we would all kind of disappear into the sun.
Yeah.
But that's not going to happen. Don't worry.
No. What will happen if the earth was very, very, like 600 miles far from the sun?
600 miles? That's very, very close. We would disappear. But you know how? Do you know?
We would. Wait. Let me answer the question myself. They said our oceans will get so cold that it will freeze into solid ice.
No, that's not correct. But because 600 miles is not very far. Do you know how far away from the sun we are? You don't know? 93 million miles. 93 million miles. We're so far away from the sun that the light that we see takes 8 minutes to get here. See how if I turn on that light, it's instant. As soon as I turn on the light, you see it immediately. Speed of light. It's the fastest thing in the universe. The sun is so far away that the light we see is 8 minutes old. So if the sun went out for a second, we wouldn't know it for 8 minutes. That's how far the sun is. So 93 million miles, that's a lot. 600 miles, that's not at all. That's not a lot at all. 600 miles is like from here to Massachusetts. So, you know.
And what is Massachusetts?
No, Massachusetts is a state in the Northeast. It's one of the original 13 states. Hey, do you know what another original 13 states? What one of the other original 13 states were of the United States of America? What state were you born in?
Virginia.
That was an original state.
Virginia.
Yeah. And you know what else? What's close to Virginia? What's another state close to Virginia? Just think of another state.
North Carolina?
That's right. North Carolina was also another state.
So NOLA was close to us. Her state was close to our state.
Yes, actually, North Carolina and Virginia share our borders, our neighbors. We have a border with... Oops, sorry, are you okay? We have a border with North Carolina. It's directly to our south.
Mexico is the lowest state.
Mexico is not a state of the United States of America. Mexico is another country, like Canada.
What about Florida?
Florida is another state, but it was not one of the original states.
It's the lowest state. That's the lowest state. We were on the tail.
It is the southernmost state in the United States. If you include the Florida Keys, which we didn't see when we went to Florida. The Florida Keys are islands in the middle of the Caribbean Sea, and they is it in the Caribbean Sea or the Gulf of Mexico? I'm not sure, but that is actually further south than Texas.
Oh, Daddy.
Yes.
We were on the tail of the United States of America. We were on the tail of it.
Well, we were in Florida, yes. Not exactly the tail.
Okay.
Okay, last question.
And then we're off.
Yeah.
This question is very hard, but I know you can do it.
Okay.
What's 800 plus 800?
You're asking me what's 800 plus 800? It is 1,600.
Whoa, that's a lot. Thank you for watching our videos, and thank you for coming to YouTube. You guys are the best. I will say bye to Maya, Jacob, and Lucy.
Who am I, Jacob and Lucy?
They are the kids who are watching our videos.
You can get so many goals.
I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye, Junior.
Bye.
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 You did a good job for subscribing.
Okay.
Oh, help, my button won't click. Bye. I love you.
Bye.
Bye. Bye. Thank you for